Language translation is very important when you communicate with people from other cultures. Computers today, with artificial intelligence algorithms, are helping us so that they do the translation all on their own, and we just need to be careful about certain details. And this can be done even by small children, and you can translate to almost any language. Start with evolution, then how machine translation works, and future directions and implication. The history is actually quite interesting, and now nowadays there are like several apps that have gained advantage and are really doing very nice job in translation. While like 10 years ago, it was not possible to do the automatic machine translation. Today, you only do a little bit of editing. How do this machine translation work? Well, they need pre-processing, which means that the text is simplified and segmented. Then they need grammatical structure detection and translation and post-processing. And of course, these future directions are that this is going to get more and more automatic for more and more languages. When we talk about language translations, so there are early tools, neural machine translations, and current Google, DeepL, and competitors translations. Early translation tools have actually started a little bit more seriously in about 2011 with Google and DeepL. Neural machine translation has actually been a project which lasted 5 years, a Google project, and it was a very successful project which led to the development of current programs. These current programs are mainly DeepL and Google Translate, which can give you a very precise translation for a lot of languages. So, when you select which one you use, you must know the purpose of your translating. So whether it's large language or small language, whether it's commonly spoken, and after you select a pair of languages, then of course it's important how accurate you need and which price can you afford, or do you prefer the free one. And regarding the quality of translation, more people prefer to use DeepL than Google, as there is a feeling that this translation is accurate, but this is actually changing from month to month because both programs are actually improving and competing, and there are of course many more language pairs supported in Google Translate. How machine translation works: pre-processing, translation, and post-processing are the main steps. And here in the pre-processing, the text is simplified, segmented, and structure is detected. In translation methods, so before you go to that, this detection of structure means that the natural language processing is used to break down the text and find syntax relationship in relevant linguistic features. Translation methods is mainly neural machine translation, and methods. Post-processing actually check for grammar and spelling so that the new language is correct. Future directions include integration with audio and visual data, customer support, and real-time communication. This integration is really important because if you are translating text with audio or pictures or video, it's great if this can be done automatic. Then customer support is really important. Sometimes there is an issue, and if you get it resolved fast, that helps you a lot. And of course, time is always an